Introducing the 2023 Cupra Formentor 2.0tdi 150HP 5-door in stunning white. This powerhouse of a vehicle boasts a 2-litre engine, manual transmission, and top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort and safety on the road. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. With ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can trust that you and your passengers are protected at all times. Plus, with luxury trim and privacy glass, you'll ride in style wherever you go. Rest assured, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.